Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Mary, and I am very happy to be here with you again. If you are learning English and you want to speak confidently in daily life, this podcast is perfect for you. Today, we are going to talk about a very useful and practical topic. Our topic is shopping at the supermarket. This is something we do every week, sometimes every day. So learning how to speak English in a supermarket is very important. Hello, John. How are you today?
Hello, Mary, and hello to all our listeners. I am doing very well today. And yes, this topic is very important. When you go to a supermarket, you need to understand many things. You need to find products, you need to ask questions, you need to understand prices, and you need to pay at the cashier. Today, we will talk about all of these situations in simple English.
Let's imagine we're going to the supermarket together. We arrive at the entrance. What do we do first?
When we enter the supermarket, we usually take a shopping cart or a basket. A shopping cart is large and has wheels. It is useful when you want to buy many items. A basket is smaller and you carry it with your hand. It is useful when you want to buy only a few things. Sometimes I choose a basket because I only need a few items. But if I plan to buy many groceries, I choose a cart.
That is a good idea. Listeners, repeat. Shopping cart. Shopping basket. Enter the supermarket. Buy groceries. John, do you make a shopping list before you go?
Yes, I always try to make a shopping list. A shopping list is very helpful. When I make a list, I write down everything I need. For example, milk, bread, eggs, rice, vegetables, fruit. When I go to the supermarket, I follow my list. This helps me save time. It also helps me avoid buying unnecessary things. Sometimes when people do not have a list, they buy too many items. So a shopping list is very useful.
That is a very good habit. Listeners, repeat. Shopping list. Write items. Save time. Save money. Now, we are inside the supermarket. There are many sections. How do we find what we need?
In a supermarket, products are organized into sections. For example, the fruit section has apples, bananas, and oranges. The vegetable section has carrots, tomatoes, and onions. The dairy section has milk, cheese, and butter. The meat section has chicken, beef, and fish. There are signs above each section. These signs help you find items easily. When I follow the signs, I can find everything quickly.
That is very helpful. Listeners, repeat. Fruit section. Vegetable section. Dairy section. Find items. John, what if we cannot find something?
That is a good question. If you cannot find an item, you can ask a worker in the supermarket. You could say, "Excuse me, where can I find milk? Excuse me, where is the bread section?" Workers are usually helpful. They will show you where to go. Sometimes they walk with you to the correct section.
Yes, that is true. Listeners, repeat. Excuse me. Where can I find? Can you help me? Now we find the products. How do we choose what to buy?
When choosing products, we look at price, quality, expiration date. For example, when I buy milk, I check the expiration date. This tells me if the milk is fresh. When I buy fruit, I look at the color and condition. I choose fresh and good quality items. Sometimes there are different brands. I compare prices and choose what is best for me.
That is very smart. Listeners, repeat. Price, quality, fresh, expiration date. Now we have all our items. What do we do next?
Next, we go to the cashier. The cashier is the person who takes your payment. You stand in line and wait for your turn. When it is your turn, you put your items on the counter. The cashier scans each item. Then the cashier tells you the total price.
Listeners, repeat. Cashier. Stand in line. Total price. Pay. How can we pay?
There are different ways to pay. You can pay with cash. You can pay with a card. You can sometimes pay using a mobile phone. The cashier may ask, cash or card? You can answer, I will pay with cash. I will pay with card. After payment, you receive a receipt.
Listeners, repeat. Cash. Card. Pay. Receipt. What happens after paying?
After paying, you pack your groceries. You can use plastic bags, paper bags or reusable bags. Some supermarkets help you pack. Others ask you to pack your own items. I like to bring my own bag. It is better for the environment.
That is a good habit. Listeners, repeat. Bag, pack items, reusable bag. John, what polite words can we use?
Politeness is very important. You can say, "Excuse me," "Please," "Thank you." For example, "Excuse me, can you help me?" "Please give me a bag." "Thank you very much." These words make communication friendly.
Listeners, repeat. Please, thank you, excuse me. Let's do a short, real conversation.
Okay?
Excuse me, where can I find bread?
You can find bread in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
To all our listeners, shopping at the supermarket is a great way to practice English. You can use simple sentences. You do not need difficult words. Just practice every time you go shopping.
Yes, that is right. You can say, "I need milk." "Where is the bread?" "How much is this?" Practice these sentences again and again.
Learning English is about practice. Use English in real life.
Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode.